What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. I'm about ready to run my 2009 Hoover Mach. This is the first one that came out. This was actually my late grandma's upright vacuum. And now I got it. Hasn't been ran yet this year, so... raise that up just a little bit. I really need to find belts for this, and I can't find them anymore. I don't know if the Hoover Mach 2 belts would fit on this. Alright, y'all, leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you, and have a wonderful day.